If you want to get Steam games for cheap without breaking the rules, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 3 legitimate ways to save money on Steam games so you can build your library for less and avoid risky shortcuts that could get your account in trouble. We'll cover wishlist tracking, price comparison tools, and the important limits around regional pricing. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Let's jump in. The first method is one of the easiest and most effective, using your Steam wishlist. If there's a game you want, but it's a little too expensive right now, go ahead and add it to your wishlist. This is a great habit because Steam will notify you by email when that game goes on sale. In many cases, you'll get alerts for special discounts like daily deals or weekend deals, which can save you a significant amount compared to buying at full price. The key here is patience. Instead of rushing to buy immediately, let the wishlist do the tracking for you. Over time, this can save you a lot of money, especially if you follow a lot of games and wait for the right discount. The second method is to use price comparison websites before you buy anything on Steam. Two of the most useful tools are IsThereAnyDeal.com and SteamDB.info. These sites help you compare current deals and track price history so you can see whether a discount is actually good or just looks good. When you search for a game, look for the all-time low price. That tells you the lowest price the game has ever reached on legitimate stores. You can also check whether the game is currently discounted on official third-party stores like Fanatical or Humble Bundle, which often sell Steam keys at lower prices than Steam itself. This is especially useful during big sales because sometimes another store offers a better deal than Steam's own storefront. Always compare before you click buy because a few extra seconds of checking can save you real money. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.